Clyde Lee Dennis here, and today in our 7 Good Minutes Extra segment. Our thought for today is, positive interactions are the threads that weave the fabric of our shared humanity, creating patterns of kindness and unity. This quote reminds us that every interaction we have, no matter how small, plays a role in shaping the world around us. Acts of kindness, words of encouragement, and moments of genuine connection contribute to a larger tapestry of unity and understanding. Each conversation, gesture, or shared smile is like a thread in a greater design, strengthening the bonds between us. When we approach others with kindness and respect, we create a ripple effect, inspiring more positivity in the world. It's through these interactions that we cultivate empathy, build trust, and foster a sense of belonging. To nurture positive interactions, be intentional in your words and actions. Listen with presence, offer encouragement, and seek opportunities to uplift others. Even the simplest gestures can leave a lasting impression and add to the beauty of our shared experience. Here's a question to reflect on today. How can you contribute to the fabric of kindness and unity in your daily interactions? Today's positive affirmation is, I create patterns of kindness and unity through my positive interactions with others. Remember, the way we treat one another shapes the world we live in. By weaving kindness into every interaction, we help create a more connected and compassionate humanity. Until next time, I'm Clyde Lee Dennis, and this has been 7 Good Minutes Extra